So this is a hypo boa constrictor. He's also double het for call albino and anery. This guy looks amazing. Can't wait to see what he produces in the future. But I wanted to just get this baby because I just love his colors anyways. I wanted a hypo type boa, like more orangey type colors as well. And this guy was perfect for the collection. Perfect to grow in the house with us. And yeah, he's tiny. This guy is tiny. He's probably like the smallest snake out of like a colubrid or like corn snakes or anything like that I've held. Cause he was born in May, so it was born like 2 months ago. But man, this guy's beautiful. Got him from Brian Boas. Y'all know the OG. Out of his Moonglow IMG litter. And yeah, can't wait to grow with this guy. Seems like he already likes being here, so.